before, so I think it's just started.
Locked on it.
They were Loctite. Yep. It's blowing that gasket out at the bottom again. Slowed it down, but that gasket's gone.
I need to check that level of oil in the diff.
But it's still leaking.
Yeah,
I can see it just dripping over there. It's just too much oil on it.
Yeah, it must be. No, it's still pretty bloody slippery.
Yeah, there's no
can
stick,
feel
on,
it.
no stick on that at all. Let's put some of this on it first and see if we can slow something down. No, I said nothing sticking to that, that's oil.
Keep layering it on.
Now-
Because even if it doesn't stick to that, it should stick to the surrounding.
yeah, no,
It's got all around here too. That's all, isn't it? Is that all?
yeah, that's all.
Because it's bloody hard.
Oh, yeah, it is, it's really.
Engine, well, maybe
Oh, well, it's better than nothing.
100 and... How much have we lost?
We don't know yet.
We can get it kind of reasonably dry, but see, that's not sticking there.
Sticking?
In there.
Is that the nut that's stripped or the stud?
The stud's broken.
Off, broken off?
Yeah.
Broken off with the threaded bit still in the diff housing.
Just want to see how much leak, how much is
Down here?
Yeah, yeah. So we should see definitely still leak.
It'll still leak, but if you can just slow it down to a manageable amount.
This is their stuff.
Where do we start?
Is it physically still good?
We take the gloves off.
I'm trying to find, there's the straw. I thought it was cotton straw, but this is Pangur straw, just where we might be able to get some more diff oil. But I'll just check with Mike, because I can't find...
Have you seen that business boy?
Pangu,
What's the oil? Cotton cream.
just gear oil.
Just gear oil?
75, 85, something around it.
flathead screwdriver that fits in there tight and sort of force it in and then maybe grab something to pull it.
The other problem that you have is we don't have a bolt, so if you take that out there's a much bigger hole.
There certainly is. I'm just happy leaving it there because when they take the diff out, they'll be able to get to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they'll have to drop the diff centre.
They'll
Yeah.
drop the diff out,
Yeah.
We've already done that before we came on the trip.
So I hear.
The gentleman's only got a litre.
Oh, no, look, I don't want to leave you with that.
That's okay. That's all right. No, I'm happy to offer it.
Yeah.
But if you think you're going to be okay, I'm happy to keep it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I just put 2.5 litres in, so we lost 2.5 litres. I used that 30 k's this morning.
That's why I said you wouldn't see the droplets because the grass cleans underneath.
Yeah,
I'll
definitely.
show you what I saw.
Yep.
I do have HF radio too. If you need to get out, I have nationwide communication.
Yeah, we have Starlink,
Yeah,
we
what's
just
that?
call.
Oh, you called Starlink, right?
Yeah, they on the roof there.
Oh, yep.
My car.
There's your aerial on the
I flat mounted it.
Oh, okay.
I chopped it up and flat mounted it.
Across the Broken Hill.
Oh, yeah.
I chopped it up.
You're right, yeah. Yeah, it is similar.
Depending how you're going, by then you'll know how much you're leaking anyway. So
Oh, yeah.
I don't. The way it's dripping at the moment, I use this suspension. You can't just drop it, pull it out. You have to.
Yeah, we were just about to leave here from well 28, and I noticed a little drip of oil behind the trailer, so I got under the car and the rear diff was leaking. And when we checked, one of the studs has sheared off and the gasket's blown, so there's quite a lot of oil. So we've tightened everything up, put some stuff on it to try and slow down the leak, refilled the oil, and now we're going to continue down here till get to Georgia Bore, and then we'll head out the Talabonna track towards Newman and get the diff repaired when we get to there. That will be the end of the canning for us for this trip. We're not sure, it'll take us a couple of days to get to Newman, and we're not sure whether we would get it repaired straight away. So possibly we may see you at the bottom down in the Luna, and hopefully we'll do that, but if we don't, then we'll see you on the next trip. So, thank you. Thank you, Dad. Let's see how we go. Back on.
People take your photos?
Yeah,
Yeah.
a few, yeah.
Yeah, oh, that's good. That's nice, I think.
You go out to Dalhousie?
Yeah, went to Dalhousie.
Good sighting there,
Yeah, and Coward Springs.
Yeah.
Coward Springs.
Coming to well 27, was 24 feet or 7.3 metres. Storage was 1,800 gallons, 0.5 metres deep and 4 metres in diameter and dry. Remains of the original well included one well is in a grove of melaleuca trees, coarse sand in the open areas, or flat where there is a native soap. When dingoes come to the soap to drink, they open it up by digging. The actual location is quite easy to find, as the grass is in the vicinity is always green. Guard's book says the water is clear and fresh.
So that's what I was thinking. This stuff is a 45-minute cure.
Yep.
Are we going to have lunch here?
We'll have lunch here,
Or
yes.
we just
We're on the CSR here. Mike's just turning around.
That's still following you, Chris?
Yeah. Mike's just turning around. If everything goes well, we can drive down. There's another road that goes down.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got my regular phone
Yeah.
number.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
and then if we're out of range.
All right.
Coming into well 26 now. Well 26, Tiwa. Canning recorded the name of well 26 as Tiwa. As constructed, the well depth was 23 feet, 7 metres, and the storage was 1,950 gallons, and the supply was 2,000 gallons an hour of excellent water. This well has been refurbished on a number of occasions. Stands today, this is from Guard's book, as it stands today, well 26 is the only well on the Canning stock route that's been restored in its entirety. In 1983, a group of stock route enthusiasts led by David Hewitt, a supervisor of Aboriginal housing and then Western Australian Commission, completely restored this well to give modern day travellers an idea of what most of the wells looked like. Almost all of the work was carried out to original specifications. There's also a memorial to Canning at the site too.
I think we're going to camp here tonight, so make yourself comfortable.